A fascinating series of snapshots with an interesting sequence. Not a free association, it seems purposeful. I sense it, I hear it, some sneaking behind the building. It is a small chrome sculpture of a fist, a rapid heart rate, a surface texture, pipelines, trees, and a forest floor. A scared and dazed young man, adrenaline-filled eyes and cold sweat, overwhelming body odor, fear, a shed filled with broken parts from a motorbike, a large city now, a construction scene, busy bodies look in disgust, not another high-rise, blue work suits, men climb the metal scaffolding, small figure of a Hula dancer stuck to a car dashboard, expired parking meter, the car is parked on the street, outside of a subway station. I am listening to the amazing Donavan song, Sunshine Superman, enchantment and full of belief of intention. It can happen both ways, a good headspace.